Hey guys, Tony here. We officially just hit under 42K. I know last time I posted a video, it was basically telling you guys that after breaking trend, we were gonna go to 48.7. Completely got absolutely wrecked. This thing is like completely running to the downside. I think as of right now, we are definitely gonna be going down to 40K, which is the next support. We might see a bounce off trend here, but yeah, it seems likely that we're going down to 40K, man. This Bitcoin does not want to stop selling off, and basically all my indicators are showing that this thing is going to keep running down to the low side even further. So I would not be surprised to see Bitcoin at like 30K, honestly. Like the next support after 40K is broken is 31. So if you come down to 40K and you break that, we're going to go to 31K, man. This is not looking good. And for the monthly too, you actually closed a bear trigger for the month of December. So I'm telling you guys right now, this is for sure. We're more than likely going to be going down to like 40K. And then if that gets broken, we're going down to 31K. So this is kind of shitty, man. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.